What can you expect to get back in cost recovery on your remodeling projects when you go to sell your home? Hi, I'm Realtor Melissa Rolbiecki. This is Christi Reece, and welcome to Team Tuesday. Woo!
So we've talked before on Team Tuesday about whether you should make home renovations on your house before putting it on the market in this still seller's market. Today we're going to take a deeper dive to look at what you can actually expect in terms of cost recovery on different remodeling projects on your home if you're thinking about selling.
Using data from Freddie Mac and National Association of Realtors, Keeping Current Matters recently broke down what you can expect. Kitchen upgrades, 67% cost recovery. Vinyl windows, 67%. Bathroom renovations, 71%. Vinyl sliding, 82%. Garage doors, 100%. Roofing, 100%. And the highest return, hardwood flooring refinishing at 147%.
Wow, that's amazing. And this is all great data to help you decide which improvements might be worth it before you sell. And this is where we come in too. We can help you weigh the pros and cons of projects if you're thinking about selling. We can help you prioritize. We can give you a reference point for what buyers are looking for in our area because we're out showing property every day. We can definitely help highlight any upgrades you've already made when it comes time to sell. And finally, don't forget, we also have our refresh crew where we can cover some expenses up front for you and do some improvements, and you pay us back at closing. So that's a great program.
So there is a lot to think about when selling your home, and we're here to help. Even if you aren't ready to sell yet, you can always reach out to us to start planning and creating a strategy for the future. We're here for you. Thank you for joining us for Team Tuesday. Have a great day.
See you next week. Bye.